He's a fish, now we see how him dress.
Yeah man, yes people. My name is Diawarrior, aka Diavallan Fearon. And this is Diawarrior Music History, and this is part 7. And you don't know, Macka Diamond are easy, you know, you understand? Macka Diamond, you know, in the studio, you know, doing some work, and you don't know, I'm going to show you Macka Diamond, and also going to show you action with Beenie Man, and more action with Bounty Killer. You understand? So let's kick it off. I'm going to show you, I'm doing a studio session in 1999, that's 22 years ago, with Culture Lee. You understand? Overdubbing some keyboard and a rhythm for him, and you know, at the studio. And you know, Kevin Evil did Evil then at the place to see him. I could check it out.
What's the chicken in?
Yeah man, you don't know culturally, you know, the man, they are boss engineer, boss producer, you understand, the man. Now the business from them time they told no, you understand, nothing changed. And you don't know, in them days, you know, Macka Diamond, the name, Lady Mackerel. See, and she used to power with Queen Paula. So you used to have Macka Diamond and Queen Paula. And probably at a later date, you know, after a while, I see a next girl named Action K. After a while, it was 3 of them: Macka Diamond, Queen Paula, and Action K. You know. So this is a studio session now with Macka Diamond and Queen Paula. You understand? Doing a recording on the same studio session with Culture Lee. Check it out.
Boy, now but we if you go and see my sometimes that girl just to get show with me. All in 10 like I give me money. I put a go on like him a business.
Yo, Mackerel. I said go. Say boss girl bubble them boy now good week. I say that week man. Long time go job.
Monday I dance more. Baby mother baby, you won't get a king. Using the people over him in dirty living. Oh I'm darling, 20 I'm darling. He's a fish, and we see how him walk. Just like a girl with him and them cock off. He's a fish, and we see how him dress. Nose ring, ears ring, you don't want to guess. He's a fish, and we see how him walk. Just like a girl with him and them cock off. He's a fish, and we see how him dress. Nose ring, ears ring, you don't want to guess. People's girl bubble them wine and body. You see this week, you know me. Just like that girl just to get show with me. What's all in 10 like I give me a money. I put a go on like him a business. He goes hard to go and tell him wine and body. Let me go and see this week. Let me go and see this girl bubble them wine and body. This one like Mellis, right?
Yeah, plus do it positive. This was girl mama say you don't have money. No money. Yeah, you have to fish it up.
Yeah, so may I tell you, long time the artists them a chop. When I mean chop like what they kind of these days when they say chop, they matter about scamming. No, when we say chop from back in them days, we mean say the artists them are fire. You understand? The artists them brilliant. You understand? So, you know, in them days, you know, Beenie Man, as I say, used to move with the Blaze Band. And, you know, me to go to Miami, me to tour with Juna Reed them time there. So, You know, we're on a different mission. So you find out, so we go on the show them now. I get a chance now for catch some different type of footage car and I like see me a play, you know. So right now, I'm going to show you Beenie man, I do a performance in Miami with the Blaze Band. And this is 1999. You understand? And I'm not normal. Special. Check it out.
Are you ready for the Pancho? Yeah, I'll stop doing them things. Something I saw. We ready to service my mom, y'all. I'm ready to tonight. I'm ready to run the big things out of things. We're not going to get them street out. Like good shot. Come on, look out. Let's hit it.
Yeah, so I tell the Beenie man normal. So I say, So you don't know. I say me there the show see me and say boy me a catch piece of Bounty Killer performance see me, you know, and you don't know Bounty Killer them days there. I say him that perform with Ruff Kutt band. So you don't know me a musician, so you don't know we're gonna show the musician them to them thing because we always want to see a musician bridge them and capture the history with them because them are part of the history. You understand? So Bounty Killer performance no normal, you don't know the killer that. You understand? So check out Bounty Killer 1999. You understand? In Miami. You understand? Check out the killer.
Poor people, I'm the prime minister of the total son. When poor people stand up, stand on the movement. Poor people stand up, stand on the movement. Poor people stand up, poor people stand up, poor people stand up, stand on the movement. Never let no problem get you down. Now stand up, and know your goal. Don't take no place, there is a progress. We do something in the life. Tell what we say, so we can survive. I am on this country, I'm ready. We're ready. When they say the time, we don't bring again the love in the line. What is so everything? I really want to know to be closer. When they say the time, come on in, my face on the line. Don't be the place like a show star. Let's try my best to survive the spring. Don't find me one of poor people queen. Don't find me perfect. I'm a clean that king, don't find me his captain. One face of so we don't take no salad. I'm not the high and what's your talent? You know, there's no one hanging down on it. Man, I'm in the third time. Don't be getting in my nose. Why you so everything I don't want? I didn't see a woman in a city dress. When the third time, all I'm in one is on the mind. Poor people like that short side. Look! They're rapping with you, so we'll take it to the spine. Even if you show when everything's white. I'm gonna get a block, but you still like it. Again! Tell your third time, we're young, we're young. Why you so careful? Look! What do you hear? Said the booster one yesterday. Only the shot of blood clot Chicago. I will see bulls at Chicago. So booster was a killing at Chicago. Look! The promoter called me again and said, here you say them cancel the visa. Oh, now me tell them so they're going to cancel the whole 5 visa. So when you walk in and spend time in city, where do you want to go? Take up on the wash suit and the water boot. Who did you love that? You show that. What do you mean? And you, Mr. President, you get some damn nasty man when I say, What
say someone. Look what on.
Yes, people. So man tell you how the stage show vibes them hot. You saw people them love Bunty and them love Beenie man. Crowd are real up. So man say, and you don't know, at the end there you see Teetimus against Jamaica. You don't know man them a move through, and also my good virgin Andrew Simpson. Them time I think Andrew Simpson they play for Morgan Heritage. If I'm a Morgan Heritage, I bury someone. But them man they are big musician, guitar player, and play for a lot of songs for me. So you don't know, this has been another episode of Diawarrior Music History Part 7. And I have to really thank the people them seeing me, and me really feel good for know say me capture even a little piece of the beginning, of a lot of the artists them career, and a lot of the building process, to where them is right now. So even them can look back and see how them that go on them tiny car. A lot of the video them YouTube never debut out on them thing, the people highlight and show them things. So the camera thing never even so prevalent them time they see me. So I don't know, it's like me have the insight or the vision to say, within time them things are gonna be amazing, because people can't get to see back in them time there. And as me said, I like talk, I mean, I have something to show, because anybody can say anything, you understand? But when you can see it, you have to ask what that you see it, you understand? So there's so many things said. So bless up people, Rastafari love, and join us another time on Diawarrior Music History. I'm out.